Today we are answering the internet's questions about YouTube. This time we're looking at Reddit. If at any point you find value, smash the like button and leave a comment so more creators like you will see this video. Let's get started. Will YouTube recommend your content more if one video gets a ton of views? Does this mean once I start uploading more videos, they will start getting as many views as this one? Well, having a video that does super well does not make you flop resistant. The next video you upload has to be a banger if you want more banger results. Because at the end of the day, YouTube recommends videos to viewers, not channels. But the good news is you get to study the data from the video that did well. Figure out what you did differently on this video to get the results that your other ones couldn't. Then use that information to make decisions on your future uploads. Does YouTube actually push good content if you're new, or is it just luck? Wow. It's really confusing because a lot of people say you have to be lucky to have success on YouTube. I just disagree completely. If your content is bad, luck won't make it perform well. You're not going to enjoy a piece of content just because the creator of that video is lucky. So if you make engaging content that people want to watch, you have just as much of a chance of winning as anybody else. Where do you find thumbnail artists? What a good thumbnail can do to your video. If you're like me and you don't have design skills and you have a little bit of money lying around, I think thumbnail designers are the first thing I would outsource as a YouTube creator because they're really not that expensive and the return on investment is nutty. I would go to Fiverr.com and look for thumbnail artists with great reviews and examples that you like. Or go to Twitter. Search for people who talk about thumbnails, and if they're followed by people you trust in the YouTube space, then you know they're legit. What is the best budget mic for YouTubers? This sucker, baby. 99.99999% of people will not notice the difference between this $60 microphone and some expensive option. I recommend the $60 Rode Video Micro. I actually have more expensive options, but I keep coming back to this. How many views a month do you need to make YouTube a full-time job? It depends on a lot of factors like your niche, where your viewers are located, the CPM that varies video to video and creator to creator. And to be honest, for most creators, ad revenue just isn't enough to make YouTube a full-time job. You need to supplement it with other forms of income like brand deals, merchandise, affiliate links, sponsorships, and so on. What amount of audience retention is considered good? A director at YouTube actually shared the answer to this question at one of his talks at VidSummit in 2021. I'll throw it up on the screen. You can see what it takes to be in the top 10% and average for videos between 3 and 30 minutes. I would screenshot that and use it as a general guide. But soon YouTube is adding data to YouTube Studio that will let you see how your retention compares to other popular videos around the same length. That's going to be pretty dope. What will be your best and most useful advice for people starting out with their YouTube channels in 2022? Subscribe to the TubeBuddy YouTube channel. Oh God. But in all seriousness, get comfortable with your YouTube analytics. That's where you're gonna get the vast majority of insights on how to grow your YouTube channel. It will show you what's right, what's wrong, what's missing, what's confusing. I recommend that you use data to make your decisions, not feelings. What are the pros and cons of going viral? Cons? What cons? Money, views, subscribers, momentum. If you have high quality videos on your channel that these new viewers can immediately watch after your viral video, there's a good chance that you'll retain a lot of them. But to me, the biggest con might be going viral before you're fully committed to the genre that you went viral for. Something like that can completely change the trajectory of your channel if it's not the type of content that you want to continue to make. Besides that, it's all good in my opinion. Where do you guys go for stock footage? We use Storyblocks, but it's a little bit expensive. How much do we pay for this? How much do we, $30 a month? Oof. If that's not in the budget, Pexels.com is a great free option. Should I be worried if my CTR is 60% on 7,000 impressions? Is he trolling? Is this a joke? Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, it's legit. Nah fam, you good. You are good. If this happens to you, the only reason you might want to worry is if the engagement is negative, meaning the retention's not very high, there's a lot of dislikes, a lot of negative comments. If that's the case, it most likely means that the video was clickbait, and once YouTube figures that out, you're not going to get many more impressions. But if the engagement is good, you did a banger job on your title, topic, and thumbnail. If that's the case, DM me if you're looking for a job, because clearly you know what you're doing. Is it normal for impressions to spike after a few days? Absolutely. Our videos take about a week before they really start to pop off. I think about it like this. Every video is like a new food recipe. You try it out with a few of your friends first before you share it with everybody. And that's the same approach that YouTube takes with your videos. They show your new video to your subscribers at first, and if they respond well to it, they feel safe and comfortable sharing it with the whole world. Woo, boy, okay. there we go. So what you guys think? You like this format? You want more videos like this? If this video gets 5,000 likes, I will make another one. Watch this video next if you want some tips to get more views on your videos. I love you all. I'll hang out with you in the comments below. And until next time, keep creating. Say hi. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel.